I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Buenos días a todos en casita, yo soy la profesora Paulina Ramírez de la asignatura de danza y conmigo van a estar trabajando en las pausas activas. En la pausa activa del día de hoy vamos a hacer un poquito de actividad física. Lo que vas a necesitar son 2 balones. Si no tienes 2 balones en casa, no te preocupes, puedes utilizar una pelota, un balón. También para este ejercicio vas a necesitar de una persona que te apoye. Te vas a acostar en el suelo. Procura que al levantar tus piernas estén inclinadas para que se pueda resbalar el balón. Seguidamente vas a lanzar el balón hacia la persona que te está apoyando y se repite la actividad. Eso ha sido todo por el día de hoy. Espero que te haya gustado. Esperamos tu video.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great today. We're going to start with the vocabulary and then with the explanation about the topics of today. Okay, first practice and repeat after me, please.
Daily. Daily is an adjective of every day or of each day. For example, daily activities. Get dressed. It refers to put clothes on. For example, I was late this morning and had to get dressed in a hurry. Okay? Routines are daily tasks or activities or normal activities. Okay? For example, take a shower or all the activities that you have daily. Today we're going to talk about daily routines. Pay attention, please. A routine is like a habit or a sequence that doesn't vary or doesn't change. Okay, daily routines. Today we're going to talk about daily routines. So, the daily routines are the activities that you need to do in your day or every day. For example, you have to get up every day. You have to go to school every day, from Monday to Friday. You go to bed every day. You have breakfast every day. Okay? All the activities that you have to do every day conform the daily or your daily routines. Okay? In this picture, you have some activities of your daily routines. Remember, the activities are practice the daily routines and the vocabulary and play Kahoot.
I never made it,